Let me show you how we can use Essential Space on Nothing Phone 3. So in order to begin creating notes for Essential Space, we can use the Essential key, which is located below the power button. If you press this button once, you will create a screenshot. And of course, you can tap on the screenshot in order to either include it in the note or not. So for example, in this case, I'm going to include it. Below over here, we can write our own note. Or you can even use the microphone and you can create a voice memo. So let's say I'm going to tap on this microphone and let's say I'm going to say customize the home screen later on when you have a free time. And of course, we can also listen to the audio as well. Later on, if we go back to the Essential Space, but as you can see, we can send the memo, the note that we just created into the Essential Space. Besides that, like I said, we can also just write anything that we want to. If we have any app opened, then you can also, of course, use this option, this Essential key, in order to create a note. And in some cases, we even have some suggestions by the app. For example, we might be asked if we want to create an event in our calendar. If there are appropriate information present on the screen. All right, so now we know how to create a node for the Essential Space. We know that we can use Essential key for that. We can also go to the Essential Space by using the Essential key. To do so, we can just double press the Essential key. And as you can see, we are now in the Essential Space. Here we have our memory, and whatever we go, whichever note we open, we have our summaries, especially if we have the audio, of course. We can even create collections, and collections are like folders for these notes, so you can store them, organize them in your own collections. As you can see, we can play the audio. We have the summary of whatever you said out loud, so you don't even have to write anything. You can instead just record yourself, and then you still have the text, so you don't have to listen really to the audio if you don't want to. In the top right corner, we can tap on these three dots in order to delete the memo, the note. We can tap on the screenshot in order to see the full screenshot, where it was taken and when as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So essentially, the Essential Space is like a more advanced noting app, which is quite cool. If you have lots of thoughts and ideas and you don't want to go to the Note app all the time, you can instead just use the Essential key, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, remember that you also have settings over here in the top right corner, which can also be quite useful. For example, we have the calendar, so we can synchronize it with the calendar, and we even have Essential Recorder, and so on and so forth. So yeah, give it a try and let me know in the comments if you like it or not. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.